Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Again, it's your girl, Laba Laba's World with What to Wear with Zulily. And you guys know I love them. As I said, they don't sponsor me. They don't pay for anything. That's the only place I shop for my clothes. So thanks again. Thanks for watching. It's your girl, Laba Laba's World, your favorite new YouTuber. So I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna do an unboxing with you today, or a bag opening, whatever you guys call it. Then we're gonna take a look at an outfit that I wore the last time I went out to eat. This that I'm wearing, guys, it's from Zulily. Everything I'm wearing is from Zulily. My lovely shoes, also they're from Zulily. So, what did I buy this time? What did they deliver? So, let's see. Ziggy-doo. Okay. I'm gonna open it for you guys to see, because it is so beautiful, guys. I can't wait to wear it. So there you go. It's a nice red. It's so summery, guys. It's definitely for summer. You know, it's beautiful. Colors are bold. I can't wait to wear it for you guys. And you know I'm gonna do the pictures. Okay, so let me put that aside. And of course, you know your girl. This is the belt that I've been waiting on, because I have a pant. Blue pants actually, because you know blue is in this season, guys, that I want to wear out, and I wanted to put a blue belt with it, because I got some nice blue shoes with gold. I will show you them, not now, but for sure I'm going to show you them. So let's take a look at this belt. See that, guys? See the details? Look at that. It's so nice. And it has an extender. So if your waist is not that tiny, you can extend it, guys. And what else did I buy? Oh, yes. Yes. Some sunglasses, guys. These glasses, let me tell you something. I bought these glasses to go with the dress, and let me tell you guys, oh, they are something else. Guys, just check them out. Ooh, and look, they come with this cool little eyeglass holder, or like things that you could put on the side, guys. Look. You see, that's why I love Zulily, eh? Because I can be so unique. I can be unique over at Zulily. You guys don't want to miss. As I told you guys, they're not paying me. They're not sponsoring my video, nothing. But since I started to shop with Zulily, oh my goodness. You can't imagine, guys. You cannot imagine. So guys, I'm gonna be wearing this with my red dress, and I already have my shoes, guys. It comes with a glass cleaner. Hey, guys, let's continue. Gotta get a close up. Whoa. Okay, so What else? Yes, these are the other sunglasses, guys. We got sunglasses today. Because you know it's summertime. And you know we're going to be partying. We're going to be going out. We're going to be going to the restaurants. Yeah, we're going to be going out, guys. Oh, yes. Look at these ones, guys. You know I love anything that comes with pearls. Oh, my God. Okay, let me put that one down. I know I'm like a kid. I'm so sorry, but guess what? Hey, girl, just wanna have fun, fun, fun. Hey, girls, we just wanna have fun. And this one too comes with an eyeglass cleaner, and this one too have those eyeglass holder things on the side, or eyeglass chain. I don't know what you guys call it, but yo, take a look. And you know I love little details. I love feminine details. I'm so sorry, guys. Don't you think I'm too much, but you know I love feminine details. Huh. You guys gonna see when I'm doing my lingerie unboxing with Zulily. Oh my God. You guys gonna see that. Oh wow. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Sexy. Sexy. Okay, so what else is there? Let's just put this aside and let's see if there's anything else. Oh yes, there's another belt, guys. And this one is same pearl action, same. Whoa, but this one, guys, is silver. Because I'm not gonna lie to you, this summer I have a lot of blue going on, a lot of baby blue. So this one is with silver, and I have some silver jewelry. I even think I already know what I'm gonna wear this with. So there you have it, guys. Again, as I said, Zulily doesn't sponsor me. They don't send me anything for free, but I think it's the best place to shop. Wherever you are, wherever you can shop from them, you will definitely get cute, original things. Like, you don't even have to think twice. This belt also has, it has an extender. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna try this one out. So I just want to see. Okay. Okay, look, it's not bad, guys. Yeah. It's not bad. It's nice. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Again, it's your girl, Alaba's World, with What to Wear with Zulily. And you guys know I love them. As I said, they don't sponsor me. They don't pay for anything. That's the only place I shop for my clothes. So thanks again. Thanks for watching. So the last time I went out, guys, the outfit that I wore, that I bought at Zulily online, reminded me of Spanish Harlem, salsa, money, just beautiful. Look at the details on the pants. Look at the vibrant colors. Look at the top. Then I topped it off with these beautiful teal, blue and dark blue earring, and the chain. Look at the chain. Then of course green bag, green shoes. It all complemented me so well. I just look beautiful, ravishing, and delectable. A rose from a beautiful Spanish Harlem queen. Look at me, guys. Look at me! Again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you know that I got my clothing line, guys. So go check me out on Etsy, guys. You'll be surprised.
baby. Yes, I want you, baby.